The 1969 Triumph Spitfire MkIII stands as a charming icon of British motoring, embodying the spirit of accessible sports car performance with a distinctive design and mechanical simplicity. Designed by Giovanni McIII, the MkIII featured a restyled front end with a more aggressive nose and a cutaway front valance, giving it a sleeker appearance than its predecessors. The car retained its traditional beyond construction with a clamshell-style front hood that allowed for excellent access to the engine. Powering the Spitfire MkIII was a 1.3-liter 1,296cc inline-four engine producing 7 horsepower and 75 pounds-ft of torque. This marked an increase over the earlier MkIII, which had only 67 horsepower, and made the MkIII noticeably quicker and more refined to drive. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the car could reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 13.5 seconds, and had a top speed of approximately 95 miles per hour. Despite its modest power output, the Spitfire MkIII was known for its lightweight construction, tipping the scales at under 1,700 pounds, it to feel nimble and agile. Particularly on twisty roads, it used independent front suspension with coil springs and wishbones, while the rear featured a swing axle setup with transverse leaf springs. Although the rear suspension could be twitchy at the limit, careful driving revealed the Spitfire's playful nature and excellent balance. When compared to contemporaries like the MG Midget and Austin Healey Sprite, the Spitfire offered a more refined look, better interior comfort, and superior access to mechanical components, making it more appealing for DIY enthusiasts and style-conscious buyers alike. The 1969 Spitfire MkIII played a vital role in Triumph's continued success in the compact sports car segment. It helped maintain the brand's reputation in international markets, particularly in the United States, where small European sports cars were enjoying a golden era. The MkIII also set the stage for later Spitfire variants, including the MkIV and 1500, which further improved handling and power. In motorsport, Spitfires were often seen competing in club-level racing and rallying, proving their capabilities. Despite their limited horsepower, their compact size and relatively simple mechanicals made them popular among amateur racers and restoration enthusiasts alike. Culturally, the Triumph Spitfire MkIII represents the optimism and flair of the late 1960s, time when owning a convertible sports car was a symbol of freedom and style. It offered the thrills of open-top motoring at a fraction of the price of larger, more powerful competitors. Its legacy lives on in the classic car community, where the MkIII is celebrated not only for its vintage charm and mechanical character, but also for its role in democratizing the sports car experience. The 1969 Spitfire MkIII remains a beloved example of smart engineering excellence can create a lasting automotive icon.